50 years, the Model 760 has been the industry standard of excellence. Versatile, powerful, reliable, and smooth. This machine is the largest of our 3-wheel belt grinders. The rigid cast construction of this machine makes it ideal for contact wheel, work rest, and slack belt contour grinding. The Model 760 provides for quick and easy belt change and tracking, and is available in both fixed speed and variable speed models. Its exceptional throat clearance allows for grinding of both large and odd-shaped parts. The Model 760's guard provides excellent dust extraction and greater operator safety. The versatility and reliability of this time-tested machine makes the Model 760 one of the most sought-after and well-respected grinders in the world.